Dalmia Bharat Group proudly presents success story of preheater construction at Rajgangapur in Orissa state of India, which was completed in record time of 8 months and 18 days from the date of ordering. This is the world record for preheater civil construction in cement industry. It is the biggest preheater in the world with 6 stages, 2 strings with cyclone diameter of approximately 9 meters, supplied by FL Smith. Foundation level is at -8 meters, which is deeper than normal. It has 8-column concrete structure with independent footings. Docker shuttering was used to speed up the construction. Average flow-to-flow height is 20 to 22 meters.
We have achieved extremely efficient slab-to-slab pouring in 18 to 22 days.
2 numbers of dedicated tower cranes were installed at strategic locations, keeping construction and future erection in mind. A separate construction elevator and dedicated manpower access tower was provided. A dedicated concrete pump was fixed at strategic location to avoid any obstacles from other simultaneous works. Also, a standby pump was kept ready to ensure uninterrupted concreting. Last but not the least, record was achieved with 0 major accident and best practices for safe working environment. Some of the unique process features of this preheater at guaranteed capacity are: lowest pressure drop of 357 mm of water gauge at fan inlet. Retention time in calciner is 13.7 seconds. CCX cyclone for 6th stage is equivalent of 7th stage preheater. Double HISIL insulation and aluminization resulted to 30% less radiation loss. Automatic hot meal sampling helps in detection of degree of calcination. Bigger size preheater and pre-calciner with volumetric loading of 0.7 TPD per cubic meter and 1.21 TPD per cubic meter respectively. We excelled over many cement companies in completing the civil construction of similar sized preheater and secured first position. BuildMet, as our civil contractor, did a magnificent job and helped us in setting up new benchmark in the market.
Preheater has been constructed in 8 months 18 days from the date of ordering and 7 months from the date of start of construction. This was done with meticulous planning and monitoring. During this period, our contractor Mrs. BuildMet and my team has supported throughout the project. My leadership, my boss Mr. R.S. Somani has supported all along and guided me whenever it was required. This is the proudest moment for my career and this is the bestest achievement I have made so far. And I am thankful to the management for providing me this opportunity.
The plant concept was finalized along with Dalmia project execution team by incorporating their operating experiences and the superior grinding and calcination technology experience from FL Smith.
Dalmia and FL Smith envisioned an operation that would have the lowest carbon footprint, incorporating fuel and power saving technologies into the design. FL Smith incorporated the low-NOx calciner to control NOx emissions, double layer lining in cyclones, and waste heat recovery mode with hot air recirculation through the cooler to support green cement vision.
FL Smith's pyroprocessing system offers best efficiencies in terms of fuel, power, and emissions. We size our calciner for longer retention time to enable efficient combustion, reduced CO, and thereby operate calciner with less excess oxygen out of it. The high efficiency cyclones that we use in our preheater system produces lowest pressure drop, and along with this the double insulation lining offers significant reduction on fuel and power. The countercurrent cyclone which we use in our top stage, which we call as CCX, adds on to the benefits on fuel savings.